Hello everyone, this is Peter Holdman and welcome to my review of the three-legged thing Iggy. Iggy is a tabletop tripod designed to hold small cameras, action cameras with the included GoPro mount, and smartphones if you get the included cradle or bring your own. The most obvious comparison to Iggy would be the Manfrotto Pixi. Folded down, they're about the same size. Set up, they're a little bit, Iggy's a little bit taller and the Pixi is a little bit wider. Not by much. The Pixi weighs in at 6.6 ounces or 190 grams. The three-legged thing weighs in at 5.3 ounces or about 150 grams. Stability between them seems about equal. Any of them will, either of them would hold the small camera, camcorder, action camera, phone. They can hold either could hold a consumer level DSLR like a crop sensor D3000 series or Canon Rebel quite easily. I've gotten both of them to hold a D610 with a smaller lens on it. One of the big differences that you'll see with this is the three-legged thing can put the head at a 90-degree angle, which is great for use with a smartphone in portrait mode. You could also use a small camera on there in portrait mode, but you wouldn't want to use a DSLR. Either one of them can also be used as a handle for for a phone for doing selfies, vlogging, or live video. As you'll see right here, that works as a handle quite well. The Manfrotto would do that as well, but since it doesn't go to 90 degrees, that would work best in landscape mode. Iggy comes with a GoPro mount, as I showed you before, and for an extra about $6, it comes with the cradle phone mount. This folds down quite compact, so it would fit in a pocket or your camera bag, which is nice. It is spring-loaded to hold the phone. It will just hold an iPhone 8 Plus. Anything bigger than that, you'd have a hard time getting in. So Iggy with just the GoPro adapter comes in at about $22 US or $23 US. With the cradle, about $28 US, and they also have a kit with 2 tripods, 2 GoPro adapters, and 1 cradle for about $45 US. The Manfrotto goes for between $20 and $25. Between the two right now, I am preferring the three-legged thing mainly for that 90-degree angle and being able to mount my smartphone in portrait mode, which is great for doing Instagram live videos or anything else where you need that phone to be in portrait. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please take a moment to like the video, maybe subscribe to the channel for more product reviews, photo editing tips, and other information. Thank you.